Many MSPs or IT providers don't offer or provide wiring and cabling services. PCG has been providing wiring and cabling solutions for over 25 years. PCG has a dedicated wiring team to manage all of your company's current and future wiring requirements. For new construction, we work with your leadership team and general contractor from start to finish. We review your floor plans and give you the guidance needed to have all the needed and required wiring runs to support your technology requirements. We'll work with your general contractor regarding the timeframes to get the wiring roughed in and to complete the finished wiring after the sheetrock, paint, and ceilings are in place. We use Cat 6 wiring, and we will test, certify, label, and document the wiring runs. Our work is best in class, and you will be proud of your network server room that supports your network. If your building or buildings require fiber, we have the skill set and services to run and terminate the fiber at both ends. Our wiring services are only as good as the understanding of your technology requirements. Our expert technology advisors will give you the needed guidance and recommendations for all your technology needs. From phones, security cameras, and surveillance to wireless, copiers, and specific equipment for your business, we have you covered. If you need to add technology to your business, such as a wireless or security camera solution throughout your office or warehouse, we will provide you a wireless assessment and the needed wiring and equipment to give you the best possible value and solution for your business. We test, tone, certify, and document all of our work. If you want the best wiring solution and guidance, then PCG has you covered. All of our work is 100% guaranteed. From new construction, new office additions, or any upcoming technology needs, give PCG an opportunity to earn your business. PCG, the greatest value for wiring services, guidance, and project management, hands down.